Yo, what is up, guys? It's Miles from Hexbook Extreme, and today this is part 2 of my Baby Einstein toy collection. Once again, shout out to Koala 18849. Alright, so yeah, here's part 2. If you want to see part 1, it's going to be right here in the icon, or it's going to be in the link in the description. Alright, so I did show some toys in here, but I forgot 2. So, which are the shovel and the rake by Brio from Baby McDonald. So, yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Okay. Here's my bootlegged version of the Giants. 4 in a row by Pressman Toy Corp from Discovering Shapes. I'm just going to set this somewhere. Alright. We also have some toys that are inside of here. So, last video I showed you the yellow Easter grass from Baby Van Gogh. But here is the green Easter grass from Baby Van Gogh. Okay. And then we have the color popsicle sticks from Discovering Shapes. my mic is starting to fall off my camera. Okay, there we go. All right. And I also forgot to show you something inside here. It's the newer version of the 96 crayons from Baby Newton. And there's some toys inside here that I want to show you. Right here is the newer version, or another version of the Tin Drum by Shining from Baby Mozart 2004. Rascal, this is not a cat toy. Rascal, get off. Be there, get over here. Thank you, Rascal. And my second colored Jupiter Kinetic. I don't know what the stand is for this one, but I'll probably use the stand from my other one, from my other video. Okay, and then the bootlegged version of the Hula Girl from Baby's First Moves. A Ferriswheel Kinetic, which is a bootlegged version of the Spinning Balls Kinetic from Baby Galileo and Baby Galileo. I think that was Lullaby Time, or it could have been Baby Lullaby. I'm not sure. You guys can tell me which one it was. And also World of Rhythm. Wait. Here. Are my juggling balls from Baby Da Vinci. And then the bootlegged car from Baby Bach. The magnetic letters from Baby Shakespeare. My bootlegged version of the Baby Einstein blocks from Numerous Nursery and Baby Wordsworth. The Coca-Cola version of the coin truck from Baby Bach. The bootlegged version of the Huggy Buggy's airplane from On the Go. I found the stand for the Jupiter Connect. The bootlegged version of the fire truck from Baby Bach. More foam shapes from Baby Newton. Another bootlegged Baby Bach fire truck. This is the one that Video Toy Gamer used for his Baby Bach remake. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. And then another pair of the silly face glasses from Baby Da Vinci. All the toys from here. Yeah, it's not a Baby Einstein. I was about to put my darts in that box. Got some choice in here. The ladybug wings from Baby, from Nahs Nursery. The pretend and play shopping market from Baby's First, from Baby's favorite places. And so here we have the bean bags from Baby, from Discovering Shapes.
Because, they know it's coming.
The pig headband with the nose from Nahs Nursery. Drinking bird from Baby Neptune.
See this? Funny face. Just want to video that. What's that?
Yes.
Yeah, if I'd like to see that again. We'll find it.
Okay. So with that guy. Okay. There are some things in here as well. We have a bootlegged version of the Dizzy Ducks music box from Numbers Nursery, Amphibious Frog from Baby Neptune, and a bootleg of Beyonce video, which is a Prodigy, a bootleg version of the easel from Baby Shakespeare and Baby Da Vinci. The stacking and sorting blocks, the stacking and sorting cubes from Baby's First Sounds, the Sproul Christmas Tree from Baby Vivaldi Music for the Seasons, Wild Animal Safari Collection from Baby Noah, Wildflowers from Baby Shakespeare, bootleg version of the Metronome from Language Nursery, Baby Mozart, and also Word of Rhythm. Now, there's some toys in here. Who's it? By Hoopa, by Andre, or this is actually by Manhattan Toy. This is from Baby Bach, and a bootleg of Manhattan video, which is Brainy Baby Right Brain. And Right Brain, they did this. And Baby Bach, they did this. Alright, next up. My bootlegged version of Sandy Sea Crab. This is, I don't know what the mermaid's name is. But this is my bootlegged version of the Sandy Sea Crab from Baby Beethoven. Okay. And then we have the Shape Sorting Cube by LeMays from Baby Beethoven. This is the one that Jagger has, I believe. uh, uh, baby Neptune turtle bath puppet, a silent dragon puppet from Baby Bach. This is a newer version. Yeah. Maybe I sing cow. And then we have the Build-A-Bear monkey from Lullaby Time. Yeah. I did this because I know. Kids 2, that was, that's the Kids 2, maybe I think Kids 2, Vincent van Gogh. This is my bootleg version of the tag lead from Baby Shakespeare. This is just a Taggy's lion. Kids 2, Pavlov the dog. And then we have a bootlegged version of the Eden cow, both Eden cows actually, from Language Nursery. Bootlegged version of the parrot plush from World Animals 1998-2003. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Right. Raggedy Ann from Language Nursery and Baby Mozart. Right. That's about it. Okay. And then over here, last video I showed you the sweet pea from Baby Lullaby and the snowy owl puppet from Baby Buck and Baby Lullaby. But now let's show you some other puppets. This is my bootleg version of the Calico cat puppet from Baby Lullaby. This is actually the Tabby Cat puppet by Folk Madness. Then this is my bootleg version of the Diving Dolphin puppet. Right, of the dolphin of the Legends of the Dolphin puppet from Baby Mozart and Baby Noah. This is a Folkman's dolphin puppet. And then we have the Folkman's hippo puppet from Baby Noah. And then we have a bootleg version of the Sweet Plush Baby Giraffe puppet from Baby Bach. And then we have a bootleg version of the Deacon Frog puppet from Baby Mozart and Baby Neptune. This is just a Folkman's frog puppet. Then the bootleg version of the Sonny and Co. iguana puppet. This is the Folkman's iguana puppet from Baby Noah. And then this is the Folkman's version of the praying mantis glove puppet from Neighborhood Animals. And then this is this is another version of the this is another version of the Dino and Egg puppet, the Folkman's Dino and Egg puppet from Baby Bach and Baby's First Sounds. And then we have the Folkman's squirrel puppet from Baby Monet, and also Baby Vivaldi Music for Seasons, and a bootleg of Baby Einstein video, which is Baby Road Trip City. And then we have some bootlegged versions of the Beneath the Leaf Fairies from Baby's First Moves. These are Folkman's seasonal fairy puppets. So this one is a fall one, and I'm guessing that this one is a winter one because it's all white. And then we have the Three Mice in Box puppet from Baby Santa's music box. And also from Baby Road Trip Circus. You thought I was going to say city. Alright. Yeah. There you go. And that's part 2, also known as my last part of my baby Einstein toy collection. So once again, thank you for Koala18849 for the suggestion. Yeah, 5 things that I want you guys to do. I want you to like this video. Comment down what other video you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring that little notification bell, and peace out later.